Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm in Ohio at this moment. We are having a huge snowstorm. This is how the situation is outside. But soon I'm gonna go outside too so you guys can see it very clear. And let me show you on the map too how bad the weather is. First I'll show you guys the roads. Look at this, all this yellow color. This is blocked road because of the snow. Everything is blocked, all the roads, and somehow my GPS is not showing weather, but it is pretty crazy outside, so let's get out and see how bad the weather is. So I didn't clean it too long ago. I'll clean it again because it's gonna be dangerous later on. So by now, all of my shoes getting into the snow. And earlier I saw a truck fell into the ditch right there on the road. I think they just took it out. See how it is right now. Again, not too far from Cleveland, on the way to North Jackson. So be careful everyone. I would say don't drive, just stop at one of the rest areas or these trail plazas and wait for the roads to get cleared up. Take care everyone.